The strcomp function in C compares two strings. Strcomp is in the string.h header file, so we will hash include string.h. We will also want to print our answer out, so we will also hash include stdio.h. Let's give ourselves a string base, so char star s1 equals the string base. Let's next give ourselves a string base ball, so char star s2 equals the string base ball. Next, let's get our answer. In answer equals strcomp of s1 and s2. Now we can print the answer out. So printf double quotes %d for ints \n and printf answer. If we run the code, we will see -1 printed out because base comes before base ball alphabetically. If you remember back to our call to strcomp, we asked for how s1 relates to s2, hence the -1. If you wanted the other way around, you could simply flip the order of the arguments. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.